going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today I thought I'd do something a little different. Basically, I thought I'd challenge myself and try and make a zip line in under 24 hours. A zip line that works. Alright, so the basic idea is I'm just going to get some zip line cable. Attach it from tree to tree with some zip line clamps. Make a seat for the zip line and then have some fun. Let's get into it. Woo! Alright, so I'm currently in a tree. Basically what I'm going to do now is just attach the zip line onto the tree. Woo! And then I clamp it on. So yeah, now we're just going to go to the other tree. Woo! There's a bird. Oh, sick. Then I had to make a stopper so, you didn't fly into a tree. Done. Okay, so the next bit of making this zip line is I need to obviously make a seat for it. So I'm going to use the old swing that I had and turn it into a zip line swing. So I'm going to need to cut it around here and then it will be absolutely perfect for the zip line. Cue the time lapse. Done. I just finished making the zipline and it is time to ride it. I'm not that excited, mainly because I built it myself, so it's probably gonna break, but... So I didn't really want to go from all the way up in the tree to start off. So I got this pull ladder and I'm just gonna stand on it and then go. This is a really bad idea. 3, 2, 1, oh! Oh, no. Oh! That wasn't even that bad. Oh. 3, 2, 1! Oh no! Oh, no. Whoa. Okay, I'm kind of very scared to go from the top, but... That hurt quite a bit, but I'm gonna do it again. And this time I'm gonna vlog it, so it looks cool. I smell chicken noodles! Oh no! Oh yeah! Alright, so after a full day of work, I would happily say that I successfully made a zipline in under 24 hours. And yeah, that is me for now, but I'll see you very, very soon. Peace!